हेलो फ्रेंड्स, होप यू ऑल आर गुड। तो आज हम लोग देखेंगे देयर आर सम थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू कैरी। सो ऑफ कोर्स आई विल टेल यू व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू कैरी along with you in the exam. But along with that, I will tell you few other things. मैं कुछ और इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें बताऊंगा एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो यू मस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो कम्प्लीटली। यू शुड नॉट स्किप इट। आपको याद रखना है कि एक भी चीज़ छूटने पे आपका पूरा एग्जाम का पूरा मेहनत वेस्ट हो सकता है। यू हैव वर्कड अराउंड 1 to 2 months फॉर दिस, और वो पूरा वेस्ट हो जाएगा इफ़ यू मिस एनी ऑफ दिस। सो यू हैव टू वॉच इट कम्प्लीटली और बहुत ध्यान से देखना है। यू शुड बी वेरी नोटिसिंग इन दिस वीडियो। बहुत ध्यान से देखना है आपको, बिकॉज मिसिंग एनीथिंग वुड कॉस्ट यू द एंटायर एग्जाम. So it is very important that you watch it very carefully. So the first thing that you need to carry along with you is the admit card. Of course, printout of the admit card is very important. Now it is not mentioned whether you need to carry black and white or color. So I think both are accepted. So you must carry the admit card. It is very very important. And to remember कि आपको दो admit card मिला होगा, both for paper 1 and paper 2. आपको दोनों ले जाना है और दोनों में if you see it is like this. So the upper portion will be given back to you and the second one will be retained by the examination. So you have to remember that you need to carry 2 admit cards. It is very important. और देख लीजिएगा कि दोनों का शिफ्ट अलग अलग हो। ऐसा ना हो कि आप एक ही का 2 कॉपी लेकर चले जाएं, फिर आपको सेकंड वाले में बैठने ही ना दीजिए। इट इज़ एडवाइसेबल दैट यू मस्ट चेक दैट यू हैव बोथ द एडमिट कार्ड्स फॉर पेपर 1 and paper 2 both. Now if you see next, you need to have the original photo identity card. Now original photo identity card can be any one of the following, like voter ID, driving license, PAN card, passport, Aadhaar, employment ID, etc. anything. It is advisable that you carry the same document that you filled in the application form. It is very important. Now if you do not remember it, you can always go and check the acknowledgement page that you would have received while you filled the form. You must go and check the acknowledgement, and it is advisable. Suppose आपने आधार भरा है, then you should try to carry the same to the exam center. It is very important. मैंने देखा है कई बार कई एग्जाम्स में ऐसा होता है that they will not say that you need to bring the same ID, but अगर आप दूसरा लेके चल जाए they will not accept it, और फिर वहाँ आपको परेशानी होगी. इवन इफ दे एक्सेप्ट इट, दैट प्रोसेस इज़ वेरी कम्बरसम. आपका एग्जाम है, यू डोंट वांट एनी मेंटल टेंशन, सो टू लीव दैट यू मस्ट कैरी दी सेम डॉक्यूमेंट विच यू हैव फिल्ड इन दी एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और अगर आपके पास नहीं है, इन दैट केस यू कैन टेक दी अदर वंस, but it is preferable to carry the same which you have filled in the application form. And if you forgot it, do go and check it in the acknowledgement page that you would have received after filling the application form. Now next, if you see, you need to paste one color passport size photograph and you need to carry one passport size photograph to the examination center. Now of course you need to have 2 passport size photograph. Now it is advisable that you carry 4 because इन्होंने 2 मांगा है सिर्फ एक ही एग्जाम के लिए. देखिए, एक आपको पेस्ट करके जाना है, एक आपको लेकर के जाना है. सो ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज फॉर वन सेटिंग ओनली, पेपर 1 ओनली. So of course for paper 2 they would be needing another 2. It is better to keep 4. It is very very important that you keep 4 photographs. That too, which type of photographs? So 4 photographs of color type, and that too passport size. It is very very important. You must carry 4 without fail. Now if you see next, now again you have to sign and give the left thumb impression in the admit card, and that you have to do at the presence of invigilator, so you need not bother about it now. Again the same details that you will not be allowed to change the center. Of course it is not required now, और एग्जाम CBT मोड में होगा, ये सब लिखा हुआ है. You can read it yourself. Of course no late entry will be allowed in that case. Now if you see next, if you have any difficulty in downloading admit card, you can even now complain to this number in this time, so it will be helpful. जो भी करना आप कर लीजिए. You should not wait for last day of the exam कि मैं उस दिन देखूंगा. जो करना you can do it now. कुछ लोगों को दिक्कत थोड़ी सी एडमिट कार्ड डाउनलोड करने में. You can always call this number in this time during the working hours. So from tomorrow onwards it is working day, so you can always complain and get your issue resolved. So if you see next, again the same thing they have repeated. You need to carry the printout of the admit card, the identity proof in original, passport size photograph, and ballpoint pen. Of course take blue ballpoint pen. It is very important. They will not be giving you the pen, so you have to carry blue ballpoint pen. Along with that you need to carry 4 photos. To remember, later do not say that I did not know. You need to carry 4 photos at least to be on safe side. And of course proof you need to carry in original, so it is very important. You need to carry the proof in original. Along with that, in case you have a name change post marriage, especially for female, if you have a name change post marriage, you should carry the necessary affidavit in original. Otherwise you will not be allowed to give the exam. Of course you are not allowed to carry these things that come under the category of mischiefs. Of course, this is very important in case you are doing anything, any job, and your fingers, especially the part that is used for taking the thumb impression, is mixed with any ink. You should remove it. It's very important. In case you will not get the thumbprint there, it will create a lot of issue. So it is better to dissolve it beforehand. Then if you see next, and those who have opted for scribe facility, do go and check the prescribed annexures that is applicable, and you need to fill all the forms or any documentation that you will be required to fill, so that you will not be in trouble there. So these are some of the important instructions that you needed to follow. Now some important word. Now do remember friends, for last 1 to 2 months you have worked extremely hard to remember it, and you have given everything that you had, and hence you will get everything that you deserve. So go with very high confidence. Go with very high confidence. It is very important. Go with high confidence. You have to bank the exam at any cost. आपने बहुत मेहनत की है, डरना नहीं है. You must bank the exam. And of course, for those who have their exam later, you can go to my channel and look for some videos. Like I have uploaded a video with all the important topics of paper 1. So around 15 topics will give you around 100 to 120 marks. So you must go and cover this for paper 1, and I am uploading a same pattern of video for paper 2, जहाँ I'll tell you some 50 to 20 topics that will give you around 150 to 170 marks. You must go and check these videos. जिनका एग्जाम बचा हुआ है, you must go and check. So trust me, around 15 to 20 topics can give you around 150 to 170 marks. So it is very important you go and check these videos, and of course you can join my Telegram channel at @logical aspirants. So it will be very important, so you can go and check. And of course you have worked very hard, so be confident and appear in the exam. Everything will be good. And I am also going to make a video on the strategy to attempt the paper, strategy of paper attempting in the original exam. So it will come within a day, or it would have come by now also if you are seeing the video later. So you can go and check in my channel. So you'll get a video on how to attempt the original paper in exam. This will be very helpful to manage your time and of course the information in your mind. It will be very important so that you maximize your score. You must go and check this. Thank you.